Hey folks, it's Simon with Rooting for the Planet, and I was having a look last night about the history of this woodland, and it used to be owned by the Earl of Shrewsbury, who used to live in the local castle, and it's got ancient woodland status. So there's records suggesting that it was used for his logging and wood use from far back as over 400 years ago. So yeah, it's got that sort of status. It's got protected status with it being a local nature reserve. I don't see any protection on the trees. Tree preservation orders I don't see. Council probably reckon there aren't enough to do that, I'm not sure. But the woodland itself seems fairly safe from development. And I think there'd be an outcry from the local population if it ever was put under pressure. That probably is enough legally. But yeah, quite an interesting history. What I'll do, I'll add little bits to future little YouTube shorts as I go along about the history that I found. But yeah, really interesting. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Simon. I'm an environmental studies student with the Open University here in England, South Yorkshire specifically, and I am rooting for the planet. See you in a bit.